Here we come to the freight elevator at the George R. Brown Convention Center in downtown Houston, Texas. It's a Minnesota, installed by Schindler. I think it's a Kone, actually, I think. Normally, this elevator requires a card, but this elevator's actually working today. I just tried it a second ago. All right, here it is. Go to 1. Three. Oh. Let's get a view of these fixtures. I thought I'd do a much better take on this elevator. I'm quite surprised that this elevator is unlocked, because usually this elevator is locked with a key card. You can definitely see up that shaft. Anyways, we'll go down to 1 more time, and after that we'll end the video on to where I started. We're not going to be taking too much rides on this elevator mainly because this elevator is for freight, and I was just told earlier that I can't keep playing on this elevator so much. So we'll take for 1 ride and we'll get off at 2 and leave. Here we go. Man, the door slams loud. All right, let's get off at 2. You have to mash down the button in order to get it to work. There it goes. And that's it.